Thank you for joining this lesson. We're going to discuss mathematics paper 2 and we're going to look at an equation of a circle. Find the radius and the center of a circle whose equation is, we have 3x squared plus 3y squared plus 18y plus 12x minus 9 equals to 0. For us to find the center and the radius of this circle whose equation is provided, we have to change the equation into the general format, which is x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals to radius squared. Now with this format, we will know that the center is going to be point AB. It's going to be the center. And something else we should know is that with this format, to get the radius, we just need to obtain the square root of the value on the right hand side. Therefore, the first thing I will do here is to make the coefficient of x and y squared 1 by dividing through by 3. This will be x squared plus y squared plus 6y plus, when we divide by 3 we get 4x minus 3 equals to 0. The next thing, we can now complete the square, whereby for x we have x squared and we add 4x. Then we will add a constant here to make it a perfect square. Then plus, we have y squared plus 6y. We will also add another constant here to make it a perfect square. Then equals to, we take 3 to the other side where it becomes positive. And on this side, we shall also add the two constants added to make y and x perfect squares. Therefore, to make x, the equation for x, the expression for x a perfect square, we need to divide b by 2, then we square. So 4 out of 2 squared, we're getting 4. So we also add 4 to this side. Then for y, we have 6y. So we divide 6 by 2, then we square. So it becomes 3. It means 3 squared is a 9. So we will also have a 9 at this point. So this is going to be 7 plus 9, making up a 16. Then on this side, now we can factorize the perfect squares now, whereby we need x plus the square root of this part, which is 2. So x plus 2 squared plus y, this is a plus, the square root here is a 3 squared. Now this is equal to 16. Let me bring the equation there. That is equal to 16. So this means now that the equation has taken the format we wanted, the general format. And that means now the center is going to be AB. We're going to have a 2 and 3. But now they are going to bear a negative. Technically, without introducing the negatives, or when negatives are introduced, now it means if we get back to the expression, x minus negative 2 now, we will come back to what we are having, and y minus a negative 3, we will get back to this. So that is why at this stage, I'm introducing the opposite signs. So that is the center, but now the radius is going to be the square root of 16, which is equivalent to 4.